run an organization called Ciclomanias. At Ciclomanias, we offer upcycle products and teach others how to see waste as an opportunity to be creative. Today, I want to show you how to upcycle a plastic bottle by turning into a flower pot or a pen holder. So for this craft, you will need the following materials. A plastic bottle, the desired size. So I recommend 1 liter is good for a flower pot, or 250 milliliters like this one for pencil holders. The second material is a marker. And we also need scissors and also an X-Acto. We're gonna be cutting our bottle. And we need also a cutting mat like this one, or a table that could be used for cutting the plastic bottle. And if you have, but that is totally an optional material, a wood burner like this one. And also, if you want to paint and decorate your flower pot or pen holder, you will need some acrylic paints and some brushes as well. So I use different sizes, pencil holder. So the first thing that we will need is your X-Acto and the bottle. So you need to cut on the top of the bottle. The last cut can be with the X-Acto, or you can actually use the scissors. So you make an uniform cut on the top, like this. First, just mark with your marker all these lines. If your bottle is like this one that doesn't have these pre-marked lines, what you can do is just use the width of your finger and just to make it as much symmetric as possible. And usually the diameter is, you get 10 of these stripes around. And then in between those lines, you mark another small line. In this case, what I want to cut is from the top to the bottom through those lines like this. And the third part is the one that you don't cut. So you stop until the bottom of your bottle, because this is actually the place where your plant is going to be located, or where you're going to put your pencils. Have to make a small cut. So these small cuts refer to these little lines that you already pre-marked. You're gonna fold each of those stripes on the opposite line. For example, here, instead of folding on the same direction, you just fold it opposite, like this. So you repeat the same process around, and you end up having something like this. So this is totally an optional step if you have a wood burner, and you can decorate the bottle as you want, adding few holes around, like in this case, and as you want, and that's pretty much the last step that is optional. And now you have create a beautiful piece of art using a sustainable approach, using plastic bottles, recycled plastic bottles, and you can decorate and paint your artwork using the acrylic paints that we mentioned at the beginning, and depending on what color is your favorite color. And that's pretty much the process of making your own flower pot. And so if you like upcycling and enjoy the process of making your flower pot or pen holder, you may be interested in looking at my website, ciclomanias.com, for more ideas and information about this fascinating technique. and how you can reduce waste at home with materials that you have at hand. And so looking forward to hearing from you, and thank you so much for watching and supporting your local eco artists.